Welcome to Hosteasy. In this quick video, we'll show you how to create a subdomain using DirectAdmin. First, log in to your DirectAdmin control panel. From the main menu, go to Account Manager and select Subdomain Management. You can also use the left sidebar. Just click Account Manager, then choose Subdomain Management. On the Subdomain Management page, you'll see the number of subdomains you can create. Click Add Subdomain, enter your desired name like blog or store. Choose the directory path, and then click Add Subdomain to finish. Your subdomain has been added successfully. Click on the subdomain to manage options like editing the path, viewing error logs, or accessing mod security settings. If you no longer need the subdomain, you can easily delete it by clicking the Delete button.